like Darth Vader in here. Alright.
Perfect.
What up, world? 915 Beamer Garage back. Thank you so much for subscribing and watching and commenting. It really means a lot to us. We really appreciate it. Just a real quick preview on what we were trying to do today. The next video that will be coming out. So we were trying to install the mud flaps. Unfortunately, we broke some parts, right? We broke some of the screws. As you can get a little close up. It's a little bent. It's a little hammered. Yeah, it wasn't going in for whatever reason. We just think that these are not going to be the right grommets that we're going to want to go with. So I believe we're going to go ahead and head over to the dealership, pick those parts up, the ones that we're going to think works. Unfortunately, we didn't film what we wanted to today, which was to put all these mud flaps on the front and the back. As you see, this one would just fit right into the right on, you know, it flushes right into onto the vehicle. But you do have to you do have to drill a hole in this one right into your actual the wheelhouse of the vehicle. But these ones at the top fit a grommet. The very bottom, it's gonna fit a star hex key. So again, for whatever reason. Oh, and the awesome thing we found out about these is they do have a 3M type adhesive sticker tape. So that would also go to the the actual vehicle itself, make it stay better. So these look pretty good. They're pretty durable. Unfortunately, the pieces that came with them, the actual grommets were very weak, and for whatever reason we couldn't get them on. So we're gonna find out how it works, of course, like we always do. Once we master it, we're gonna get it on film and get it to you DIY style. You feel?
Toasty!
Oh yeah. All right, so I think I got it. Thanks for watching today's teaser. What we're gonna go ahead and do is in the next video, which will be coming out very shortly, we're gonna go ahead and install the front and the rear mud flaps on this beautiful 1 Series BMW. And then we know you guys are gonna wanna see the E21 and the E28 very shortly. So we're gonna get on those really quickly as possible and get those videos out. But again, thanks for your watching, your subscribing, your commenting, the love, the respect. And y'all have a great and awesome day or evening. We out.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too.
Don't get that, dog. We're not recording you, bro. So don't put that on me. I gotta wake up, man. Too much beer and I'm just sitting around. Don't put it, dog.
Perfect.